The United Arab Emirates has long been established as a global hub for connectivity, serving as a gateway for digital innovation and a leader in regional technology. The nation's journey through the digital revolution has been marked by a relentless pursuit of excellence, visionary leadership, and a commitment to future-proofing its infrastructure. To understand the path to 6G, we must first look at the robust 5G landscape that the UAE has successfully pioneered since 2018. 5G brought enhanced mobile broadband, offering gigabit per second data rates that transformed how we consume and share high-definition content. Ultra-reliable low-latency communications enabled near-real-time remote control, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in wireless interaction. Massive machine-type communications introduced a radical shift, connecting millions of IoT devices per square kilometer with incredible efficiency. Network slicing became a fundamental concept, allowing for the creation of multiple virtual networks tailored to diverse requirements on shared infrastructure. However, as demands for even higher data rates and ultra-low latency skyrocket, the transition to 6G has become a strategic imperative for the nation. 6G, or IMT 2030, is envisioned as a truly intelligent wireless realm that will deliver a seamless digital-physical continuum by the next decade. At its core, 6G is aimed to support the fourth industrial revolution by connecting humans, machines, and the environment in unprecedented ways. Holographic communication will transcend geographical limitations, transporting 3D physical and emotional aspects in near real time. The deployment of holographic communication will require extraordinary data speeds and advanced reconstruction schemes for 3D teleports. Integrated digital physical worlds, often termed as the metaverse, will be fully supported by 6G with high-fidelity, immersive environments. In these smart cities, virtual offices, clinics, and malls will complement the physical world, allowing for perfectly synchronized realms. Sustainability is a top priority, with a goal to cut average power consumption in half while supporting 10 times higher capacities. Energy-efficient frameworks and green hardware, like advanced system-on-chip technologies, will be essential for achieving these goals. Digital inclusion focuses on accessibility and affordability, bringing broadband to remote areas, planes, and ships through integrated networks. Networked sensing is a key pillar where higher frequency bands and antenna densification pave the way for integrated sensing. The Internet of Senses paradigm will allow data pertinent to all 5 human senses to be acquired and transmitted across the network. Generative AI will play a pivotal role, with 6G providing the computing fabric needed for training and operating distributed AI models. This intelligence enables AI-native air interfaces, cognitive spectrum use, and enhanced context awareness for autonomous systems. Spectrum in low, medium, and high bands is critical. Mid-band spectrum between 7 and 15 GHz will balance coverage and capacity. Research into sub-terahertz frequencies above 100 GHz will complement these mid-bands, enabling Tbit per second data rates. While refarming existing bands is possible, it poses regulatory and compatibility challenges that the industry is currently addressing. Global trends are taking shape, with China leading in patents and South Korea investing heavily in AI-native cloud-based core networks. Initiatives like Hexa-X in Europe, the NextG Alliance in the US, and Bharat 6G in India are driving international research. The ITUR has established a roadmap for IMT 2030, defining the principles, requirements, and evaluation criteria for the 6G process. The UAE continues its prominent role in global standardization, actively participating in ITU working groups to shape the future. The UAE's 6G vision is a bold commitment to improving the overall quality of life for its citizens through advanced technology. It will enable improved telehealth, remote health monitoring, and automated consultations, supported by a massive IoT ecosystem. Smart home concepts will realize sustainability goals while enabling older adults to live independently and safely in their own homes. In entertainment, 6G will enhance live experiences with 360-degree video, high-resolution streams, and 3D holographic interactions. Academia plays a critical role, with institutions acting as hubs for long-term research and foundational knowledge creation. The UAE's 6G centers of excellence, such as at Khalifa University, focus on native AI, sensing, and broadband connectivity. These centers house state-of-the-art facilities and foster partnerships with leading international institutions to drive research. The UAE is pioneering light communication through Li-Fi, targeting indoor laser-based wireless networks with terabit speeds. Real-time volumetric video streaming will offer immersive experiences with 6 degrees of freedom, transforming media consumption. Successful trials of 5.5G technology in the UAE have already demonstrated a 10 gigabit speed experience, bridging the gap to 6G. Reconfigurable intelligent surface trials have shown a 7-fold enhancement in coverage extension without modifying base stations. Current research topics include RAN development through cloudification and the creation of a newly designed digital core infrastructure. Massive MIMO technologies are evolving into GigaMIMO, utilizing even larger antenna arrays to achieve unprecedented efficiency. The way forward involves establishing a national 6G task force to drive research, live trials, and international standardization. A multi-dimensional strategy focusing on IP protection, R&D plans, and startup support will position the UAE as a global 6G hub. The UAE is ready to lead the way into the 6G era, ensuring a more connected, intelligent, and prosperous future for all.